Hello students, let's do some more questions on differentiation for your board exams. First one is y equals to log x to the base 10. Now बच्चे, what is the difference between log x to the base e and log x to the base 10? Log x to the base e is natural log of x and log x to the base 10 is common log of x. What is derivative of log x to the base e is 1 by x. What about log x to the base 10? बच्चे, if we have log b to the base a, we can write it as log c to the base a into log b to the base c. In the same way, we can split it as log x to the base 10. We will write it as log e to the base 10 into log x to the base e. What is this? Natural logarithm. Now this is a constant. Finding derivative, differentiate with respect to x. D upon dx of y equals to log e to the base 10 into derivative of log x. Log x to the base e can be written as log x. E is understood. Now बच्चे, derivative of y is 1 into dy by dx equals to log e to the base 10 into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Log b to the base a, we can write it as 1 upon log a to the base b. 1 upon log e to the base 10 can be written as 1 upon log 10 to the base e into 1 by x, and log 10 to the base e can be written as 1 upon log 10 into x. This is our derivative of log x to the base 10. 1 upon x into log 10. Find differential coefficient of sec tan inverse x. Now we have a function y equals to sec tan inverse x. We have to find the differentiation of this. Now what we will do? Tan inverse x be theta. Taking tan inverse on the right hand side, or x equals to tan theta. We have here y equals to sec theta. Tan inverse x we have taken theta. Now if x is tan theta, we have to find sec theta. What is sec square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. That is 1 plus x square. And what will be the value of sec theta? Under root 1 plus x square. In place of sec theta, what we will write? Under root 1 plus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. D upon dx of y equals to d upon dx of 1 plus x square की power 1 by 2. Derivative of y is 1 into dy by dx equals to 1 by 2, 1 plus x square की power 1 by 2 minus 1 into d upon dx of 1 plus x square. 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. What do we get? 1 by 2 under root 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square की power 1 by 2 minus 1. Power is minus 1 by 2. That's why it comes in denominator. Into derivative of 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of x square is 2x. 2 and 2 get cancelled and our answer is x upon under root 1 plus x square. This is our final answer. If u equals to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square and v equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, find du by dv. First we have u equals to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. What will we do? We will take x as tan theta. U equals to sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. What is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta? It is sin inverse sin 2 theta. It is formula for sin 2 theta. And what is sin inverse sin theta? Is theta. Therefore, u equals to 2 theta. Now, if x equals to tan theta, what is the value of theta? Tan on the left hand side, tan inverse x, u equals to tan inverse x. Now, differentiate with respect to x. d upon dx of u, du upon dx equals to d upon dx of tan inverse x. That will be 1 upon 1 plus x square. Keep it aside. Now, what about v? v is tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. We have taken x as tan theta. v equals to tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. v equals to tan inverse, this is formula for tan 2 theta. And what is tan inverse tan theta? Is theta. Therefore, tan inverse tan 2 theta is 2 theta. And what is theta? 2 tan inverse x. Here also we have 2 theta. 2 tan inverse x. Differentiation will be 2 by 1 upon x square. Now, बच्चे derivative differentiate with respect to x. d upon dx of v equals to 2 into d upon dx of tan inverse x. We will get dv by dx equals to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now, what we have to find? We have to find the value of du upon dv. du upon dx upon dv upon dx equals to du upon dx was 2 upon 1 plus x square upon dv upon dx is also 2 upon 1 plus x square. dx and dx get cancelled. These all get cancelled. What is the value of du upon dv is 1. Our final answer. Differentiate x की power x with respect to x. We have function y equals to x की power x. We have to find the differentiation taking log both sides. Log y equals to log x की पावर x. बच्चे log a की पावर b can be written as b log a. Log y equals to log x की पावर x. We will write it as x log x. Differentiate with respect to x. d upon dx of log y equals to, we will use the product rule, derivative of u, that is x into log x as it is plus x as it is into derivative of log x. Derivative of log y, 1 upon y into dy by dx into derivative of x is 1 into log x as it is plus x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. X and x get cancelled. We have to find dy by dx equals to y on the right hand side, y log x plus 1. dy by dx will be, what was y? X की power x log x plus 1. This is our answer. Differentiate y equals to log 10x to the base 10. Again, we have base 10 instead of e. We have done in the first question. Log b to the base a can be written as log c to the base a into log b to the base c. y equals to log 10x to the base 10 can be written as log e to the base 10 into log 10x to the base e. Log 10x to the base e is natural logarithm of 10x. We can write it as log 10x and this is constant. Now differentiate with respect to x. d upon dx of y equals to log e to the base 10 into d upon dx of log 10x. Derivative of y is 1 into dy by dx equals to, now log e to the base 10, log a to the base b can be written as 1 upon log b to the base a. We can write it as 1 upon log 10 to the base e into derivative of log 10x, 1 upon 10x into derivative of 10x. I am rubbing it from here. Please बच्चे pause the video and note it down. We have 1 upon log 10. Log 10 to the base e can be written as log 10 into 1 upon 10x into derivative of 10x is sec square x. This is our final answer. Differentiate sin square x square with respect to x square. Now बच्चे we will take v equals to sin square x square and u equals to x square. What we have to find? We have to find the value of dv upon du. We have to differentiate this with respect to x square. Now बच्चे differentiate with respect to x. Sin square x square, we can write it as sin square x can be written as sin x का whole square. In the same way, sin square x square can be written as sin x square का whole square. d upon dx of v equals to d upon dx of sin x square का whole square. Derivative of v is 1 into dv by dx equals to 2 in front, 2 into sin x square into derivative of chain rule sin x square dv by dx equals to 2 sin x square into, what is derivative of sin x? Cos x. Derivative of sin x square is cos x square into d upon dx of x square. dv by dx equals to 2 sin x square cos x square into derivative of x square is 2x. Now in case of u equals to x square, differentiate with respect to x. d upon dx of u equals to d upon dx of x square. Derivative of u is 1 and du by dx equals to 2x. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of dv by du. What we will do? dv by dx upon du by dx equals to 2 sin x square cos x square into 2x. We will get 4x sin x square cos x square upon du by dx is 2x. x cancel, 2 cancel. Our final answer is dx and dx cancel. dv by du is 2 sin x square cos x square. This is our answer. Y equals to tan inverse A plus x upon 1 minus ax. बच्चे we have a formula tan inverse A plus tan inverse B is equals to tan inverse a plus b upon 1 minus ab. Here we have tan inverse a plus x upon 1 minus ax. We can write it as y equals to tan inverse a plus tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. d upon dx of y equals to d upon dx of tan inverse a plus d upon dx of tan inverse x. What is derivative of y? 1 into dy by dx equals to tan inverse a is a constant. Derivative is 0. Plus what is derivative of tan inverse x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. Therefore dy by dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square, our final answer. If x की power m plus y की power m equals to 1 such that dy by dx equals to minus x upon y, what should be the value of m? Now बच्चे we have function x की power m plus y की power m equals to 1. We will differentiate it with respect to x. d upon dx of x की power m plus d upon dx of y की power m equals to d upon dx of 1. What is derivative of x की power m? m x की power m minus 1 plus derivative of y की power m is m y की power m minus 1 into dy by dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x, equals to derivative of 1 is 0. Now बच्चे m y की power m minus 1 into dy by dx equals to this term on the right hand side minus m x की power m minus 1. M and m get cancelled. What is dy by dx? Equals to minus x की power m minus 1 upon y की power m minus 1. The value of dy by dx is given minus xy equals to minus, we can write it as x upon y both power m minus 1. Minus and minus get cancelled. This x upon y can be written as x upon y की power 1. Now on equating the base, what will we get? M minus 1 is equals to 1. What is the value of m? 1 plus 1, that is value of m is 2.